Dear student, in this video we will learn chapter number 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expression. In this video we will solve practice set 6.2. In practice set 6.2 we are going to learn how to find the factor of binomial which is in the form of a cube plus b cube. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today itself. Let's start. Let's learn factors of a cube plus b cube. Here we have a formula for finding the factors of a cube plus b cube. And the formula is a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And we are going to use this formula to solve practice set 6.2. Here we have question number 1. X cube plus 64y cube. You can see that both the terms are perfect cube. You can see here the first term is x cube, which is cube of x, and second term is 64y cube, and it is cube of 4y. So first of all we will write both the terms as perfect cube. We will write in the form of perfect cube. So here we will get the first term is cube of x, so we will write here x the whole cube, plus second term is cube of 4y, so we will write here 4y the whole cube. Now here your question is converted in the form of a cube plus b cube. Okay, your question is converted in the form of a cube plus b cube. So to factorize this, we will use the formula a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And you can see here the first term is cube of x, therefore a equals to x. Okay, here the first term is cube of x, therefore here a we will take as x, and the second term is cube of 4y, therefore we will take b as 4y. We will make a note of this. You can see that here I have noted in the box. Here a is x and b is 4y. Now we are going to substitute here value of a and b in this formula. Okay, so equal to, you can see that here we have the first term a. Okay, what is a over here? You can see that in the box. Here a is x and second term is b, and here b is 4y. So we will substitute now here value of a and b in this first bracket. So let's see what we will get here. We will get here x plus 4y, close the bracket. Now here we have the second bracket. You can see in the second bracket the first term is a square, right? The first term is a square, and what is the value of a? Look at in the box, the value of a is x, so we will replace a by x, so we will get here x the whole square minus, after minus you can see that second term of the second bracket is ab. You can see here the second term is ab. ab means a into b, and what is the value of a and b? A is x and b is 4y. So what we will write at the place of ab? We will write x into 4y, x into 4y, plus what is the last term of the second bracket? You can see it is a b square, and what is the value of b? Look at in the box, it is 4y, so we will get here 4y the whole square, close the bracket. Now we will simplify it further. You can see the first bracket is x plus 4y. Okay, and you cannot simplify x plus 4y, so we will copy the first bracket as it is, x plus 4y. In the second bracket here we have x square. What do you mean by x square? X square means x into x, and x into x gives us x square, minus Now after minus, what is there? You can see here we have x into 4y. So we will multiply x with 4y. We will get minus 4xy plus. Now here we have next term. Next term is over here. We have 4y square, 4y the whole square, and 4y the whole square means 4y into 4y. You can see that I'm writing on the screen. 4y the whole square means 4y into 4y. Correct? So what we will get if we multiply 4y with 4y? So 4 into 4 gives us 16, right? 4 into 4 is 16, and y into y gives us y square. So what is the square of 4y? You will get 16y square. Okay, close the bracket. So you cannot simplify it further. You can see the first bracket is x plus 4y, which cannot be simplified further, and the second bracket has x square minus 4xy plus 16y square, and it can also be not simplified further. So we can say that therefore x cube plus 64y cube is equals to x plus 4y into x square minus 4xy plus 16y square. So make a note, if you are finding the factorization of binomial and both the terms are perfect cube, then you have to use the formula of a cube plus b cube. So you need to learn this formula. Here we have second question, 125p raised to 3 plus q raised to 3. You can see here the first term is 125p raised to 3 and it is cube of 5p, and the second term is q raised to 3 and it is cube of q. So we will write this 125p raised to 3, we will write as 5p the whole cube plus q raised to 3, we will write as q whole raised to 3. And you can see that your question is converted in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we will use your formula of a cube plus b cube, and a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Look at here, the first term is cube of 5p. So here we will take a as 5p. Okay, here a we will take as 5p, and the second term is cube of q. Okay, so we will take b as q. So we will make a note of value of a and b. You can see that here in the box I have noted as a equals to 5p and b equals to q. Now we will substitute here the value of a and b in this formula. So we will get here equal to open round bracket, and you can see here the first term of the bracket is a, right? And what is the value of a? Look at in the box, value of a is 5p. So at the place of a we will write 5p, and you can see the second term of the first bracket is b. And what is the value of b? You can look at over here in the box, b is q. Okay, so I'm going to replace here a by 5p and b by q. So we will get here 5p plus q. Close the bracket. Okay, now we will substitute the value of a and b in the second bracket, and you can look at the first term of the second bracket is a square, and what is the value of a? You can see in the box it is 5p. So we will get here 5p the whole square minus, what is second term over here? It is ab. ab means a into b, and what is the value of a? 5p. Right, you can see in the box the value of a is 5p and value of b is q. So what we will write at the place of ab? We will write 5p into q plus, what is the last term of the bracket? Last bracket, b square, and what is the value of b? It's q. So we will write here q the whole square. Close the bracket. After substituting the value of a and b in this formula, we will simplify it further. So we will get here equal to, look at the first bracket, it is 5p plus q. Okay, and it cannot be simplified further. So we will copy the first bracket as it is, 5p plus q. In the second bracket, you can see the first term is 5p the whole square. Okay, what is the first term over here? It's 5p the whole square. 5p the whole square means 5p into 5p, right? What do you mean by the 5p the whole square? 5p into 5p, correct? So 5 into 5 is 25 and p into p is p square. So what we will get? 5p the whole square, we will get 25p square. So we will write here 25p square minus, after that what it is? Here we have 5p into q, and 5p into q gives us 5pq plus q square. Last term is q square. Okay, so q square we will get here q into q, that is q square. Close the bracket. Okay, now it cannot be simplified further. You can see that the first bracket is 5p plus q, which cannot be simplified further, and the second bracket is 25p square minus 5pq plus q square, and it can also be not simplified further. Therefore 125p raised to 3 plus q raised to 3 is equals to 5p plus q into 25p square minus 5pq plus q square. Here we have question number 3, 125k raised to 3 plus 27m raised to q. And you can see the first term is cube of 120. The first term is cube of 5k, right? This term is cube of 5k, and this term is cube of 3m, right? 27 is cube of 3. So the first term is cube of 5k and the second term is cube of 3m. So we will write both the terms in the form of a cube plus b cube. So let's see over here. We will get here 5k the whole cube plus 3m the whole cube. And you can see that this question is converted in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we will use formula of a cube plus b cube. And you can see that the formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. What is the value of a over here? You can see the first term is cube of 5k. Okay, so here we will take a as 5k, and here the second term is cube of 3m, so we will take b as 3m. Okay, so we will make a note of value of a and b. Okay, you can see in the box I have noted a as 5k and b as 3m. Now we will substitute here the value of a and b in this formula. So we will get here equals to, open round bracket, what is the first term over here in the bracket? Here we have a. At the place of a, what we can write? You can see in the box, it's 5k. And at the place of b, what is second term of the first bracket? B. At the place of b, what we can write? See in the box, 3m. So we will replace here a and b by 5k and 3m respectively. So let's see what we will get here. 5k plus 3m, close the bracket. Okay, now same way we will solve the second bracket. You can see the second bracket, the first term is a square. Okay, and what is the value of a? You can see in the box it's 5k. So at the place of a we will write 5k, so we will get here 5k the whole square minus after minus, what you can see over here in the second bracket, it's ab. ab means a into b. Look at in the box, a is 5k and b is 3m. So a into b, what we will get? A into b, we will get 5k into 3m. So what we will write here? We will write here 5k into 3m plus square of b. And what is the value of b? You can see in the box, the value of b is 3m. Okay, so we will write here 3m the whole square. Close the bracket. Now we will simplify it further. Look at the first bracket, it's 5k plus 3m. We can't add 5k with 3m because they are unlike terms, so we will copy the first bracket as it is. Now in the second bracket you can see the first term is square of 5k. Okay, first term is square of 5k. What do you mean by the square of 5k? It means 5k into 5k. Okay, 5k the whole square means 5k into 5k. Correct? 5 into 5 is 25 and k into k is k square. So we will get here 25k square. So we will write here 25k square minus 5k into 3m. 5k into 3m. You can see what is over here, 5k into 3m. So 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, and k into m is km. So we will get here 15 km plus here we have last term is 3m the whole square, and 3m the whole square means 3m into 3m. Okay, 3m the whole square means 3m into 3m, and 3 into 3 is 9 and m into m is m square. So what we will get here, we will get 9m square. So we will write here 9m square. Close the bracket. Okay, now it cannot be simplified further. Therefore, 125k raised to 3 plus 27m raised to 3 is equals to 5k plus 3m into 25k square minus 15km plus 9m square. Here we have question number 4. 2l raised to 3 plus 432m raised to 3. And you can see here the first term is 2l raised to 3. And you can see that 2 is not a cube of any number. Similarly, here the second term is 432m raised to 3. So your 432 is also not a cube of any one of the number. So what we will do over here, we will take 2 as a common. Okay, 2 is common in both the term. If I'll take 2 as a common from both the term, then both the term will convert in the form of cube. Okay, you can see that if I'll take 2 as a common, what we will get. So 2 I have taken as common in a bracket. We will get L raised to 3 plus 216 M raised to 3. Now you can see that the first term of the bracket is L raised to 3 and it is cube of L, and the second term is 216 M raised to 3 and it is cube of 6. So we will write this 2 in a bracket L the whole cube plus 6m the whole cube. Close the bracket. Now what is in a bracket? L raised to 3 plus 6m the whole cube. So your bracket is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we will use your formula of a cube plus b cube to expand the bracket, to factorize the bracket. And a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, you can see here the first term is cube of L. So we will take here a as L, and second term is cube of 6m. So here b we will take as 6m. So what we will take here, a will be L. Okay, the first term is L, which we will take as a, and the second term is cube of 6m. So we will take the second term as 6m. Okay, you can see that I have noted the same information in the box. Here a is L and b is 6m. Now we will substitute the value of a and b in this formula. Okay, look at the first term of the bracket. Okay, we will copy this 2 as it is. Okay, now we'll solve this bracket a plus b. Here what is the value of a? You can see in the box it is L. And what is the value of b? You can see in the box it is 6m. So a plus b will be replaced by L plus 6m, close the bracket. In the second bracket here we have the first term as a square, right? And what is the value of a? You can see in the box it is L. So we will get here L square minus AB. Okay, you can see here we have AB. AB means A into B. And you can see in the box A is L and B is 6m. So we will get here L into 6m plus what is last term over here? B square. And what is the value of B? You can see in the box it is 6m. So we will write here 6m the whole square, close the bracket. After substituting the value of a and b in this formula, we will simplify it further. So we will get here 2 in a bracket L plus 6m, right? It cannot be simplified further, so I've copied as it is. In the second bracket here we have first term as L square. What is the first term in a bracket here? L square. L square means L into L. So what we'll get here? L square minus L into 6m. L into 6m. What we'll get? If we'll multiply L with 6m, we will get 6lm plus square of 6m. What do you mean by square of 6m? It means 6m into 6m. You can see on the screen I'm writing over here 6m into 6m. So 6 into 6 is 36 and m into m is m square. So what we will get here? Square of 6m, we will get 36m square, close the bracket. Now it cannot be simplified further, therefore 2l cube plus 432 m raised to 3 is 2 in a bracket L plus 6m, close the bracket, L square minus 6lm plus 36m square. Okay, so make a note, sometimes both the term would not be the perfect cube. So to make both the term as a perfect cube, you need to take something common from both the term. Like what is common in this two term over here in this question? 2. Same way you have to find out the common in the other questions if they are not perfect cube. Let's see the next question now. Y raised to 3 plus 1 upon 8y cube. Here the first term is cube of y and the second term is cube of 1 upon 2y. Okay, 1 is cube of 1 and 8y cube is cube of 2y. So 1 upon 8y raised to 3 is cube of 1 upon 2y. So we will write here y the whole cube plus 1 upon 2y the whole cube. And you can see now this question is converted in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we will use the same formula. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And you can see here the first term is cube of y. So we will take here a as y. And the second term is cube of 1 upon 2y. So we will take b as 2y. So we will make a note of this. Okay, you can see in the box I have noted a equals to y and b equals to 1 upon 2y. Now we will substitute this value in this formula. So equals to, okay, what we'll get here? 1 plus 1 upon 2y. Okay, here we have a in the first bracket, and what is the value of a in a bracket? It's y. Okay, you can see in the box the value of a is y. So at the place of a I have written y. And here b, the second term is b, and what is the value of b? You can see in the box it's 1 upon 2y. That's why I have replaced here b by 1 upon 2y. Okay, the same way we will substitute value of a and b in the second bracket. Okay, so we will get here y square minus y into 1 upon 2y plus 1 upon 2y the whole square. Let's see over here how I have substituted here value of a and b. Here the first term is a square, and what is the value of a? You can see in the box it is y. Okay, so at the place of a I have written here y the whole square. And here we have ab. ab means a into b. You can see in the box a is y and b is 1 upon 2y. So a into b we will get here 1 y into 1 upon 2y, right? And here we have b square, and b means 1 upon 2y. So we'll get here 1 upon 2y the whole square. After this we will simplify it further. Let's see what we will get. The first bracket we will copy as it is. Okay, in the second bracket, okay, the first term is y square. Okay, we will simplify y square, we will get here y only. Now here look at over here this part, y into 1 upon 2y. So this y and this y will get cancelled. So if I'll cancel this to y, what we will get here, 1 upon 2. Okay, so we will get here y square minus 1 upon 2. Okay, plus 1 upon 4y square. Let's see how we got here 1 upon 4y square. Square of 1, you can see here 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. And 2y the whole square. 2y the whole square means, you can see on the screen, 2y into 2y. Right? 2y the whole square means 2y into 2y. So 2 into 2 is 4. And y into y is y square. So square of 2y is 4y square. Correct? So after solving this, you can see that the first bracket is y plus 1 upon 2y, which cannot be simplified further, and the second bracket is y square minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4y square, and it can also be not simplified further. Therefore y raised to 3 plus 1 upon 8y cube is equals to y plus 1 upon 2y, in the second bracket y square minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4y square. Now here we have the next question, 1 plus q raised to 1 upon 25. And you can see here the first term is cube of 1, right? 1 into 1 into 1 gives us 1. So 1 is cube of 1. And the second term is cube of q upon 5. You can see the numerator is q raised to 3 and it is cube of q. And the denominator is 125. Can you see? Denominator is 125 and it's a cube of 5. So the second term is cube of q upon 5. Okay, the second term is cube of q upon 5. So we will write the first term as 1 the whole cube plus second one we will write as q upon 5 the whole cube. Now it is converted in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we will use the same formula, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. What is the value of a over here? You can see the first term is cube of 1. So a is 1 and the second term is cube of q upon 5. So b is q upon 5. So we will make a note of this in the box. You can see in the box I have noted a as 1 and b as q upon 5. Now we are going to substitute here the value of a and b in this formula. So what we will get here, equals to a plus b. At the place of a plus b, what is a? You can see in the box it's 1. Correct? So at the place of a I have written 1. What is second term in the bracket? It's a b, and you can see what is the value of b in the box? It's q upon 5. So you can see I have replaced b by q upon 5. In the second bracket the first term is a square, right? And you can see the value of a in the box is 1. That's why at the place of a square I have written here a square. Second term is ab. ab means a into b. Okay, you can see in the box a is 1 and b is q upon 5. So it is 1 into q upon 5. And the last term is b square. At the place of b, we can write here q upon 5 the whole square. After substituting the value of a and b in this formula, we will simplify it further. So we will get here 1 plus q raised to 3 upon 125 equals to, in the first bracket we'll get 1 plus q upon 5. You can see the first bracket cannot be simplified further. So I've copied the first bracket as it is, and you can see here the second bracket, the first term is 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1, and 1 into 1 is 1. So you can see I have written here 1. And 1 into q upon 5. If you multiply any number with a 1, you will get the same thing. So I have written here q upon 5. And the last term is q upon 5 the whole square. Q upon 5 the whole square means q upon 5 into q upon 5. How many times we will write this? 2 times, because the power is 2. And you can see q into q is q square. You can see I've written here q square. And 5 into 5 is 25. So what we will get? The square of q upon 5. We will get q square upon 25.